Alright, so I'm going to be doing some Square-1 example solves. And my method is CSP, OBL, and 2-out PBL. I actually just finished the last few cases of 2-out PBL a few days ago, so this is as much practice for me as it is to help whoever's watching this. I'm going to be doing 5 example solves, and yeah, so let's go. Alright, first scramble. Okay, so I'm going to be tracing CSP off camera, just to make it faster. Yeah, so I got an odd count for this case. So this is square barrel. We got odd. So I solve it like this. And now we have gem. So gems, I just use an out for this. Yeah. And now we have X. Sorry, not X. ET. So for this, I would probably just use I'll just do JJ into RJ. So JJ into RJ, like this. JJ. And then RJ, and just cancel into the bar flip. So yeah, that's the first example solve done. Alright, second scramble. Okay, so we have pair 411. So I'm just gonna trace it off screen real quick. Okay, so I've got an even count for this. For even, I would do it like this. So pair the pair with the L like this, and then it goes into good pawns, and then yeah. Now this is, and so now we have NN. This is actually good NN, which is just 2 slices like this. And now we have op and K. So for op K, I would just do JJ into PS. So since the pair is in since the headlights are in the back, I'd probably do JJ from the back. So align it like this, JJ in the back. Oops, mis-sliced there. And then now it's this PS, which is like that. And then I probably cancel on the top slice. And yeah, so that's the second solve done. Alright, third scramble. Okay, so we have barrel and pawn, or paw. So let me just trace CSP. Okay, so I got an odd count for this. So for an odd count, it's just to pair the pair with the paw, and then just into scallop kite, and then we reduce to square. So now we have axe knight. This is opposite axe knight, so this is 4 slices. So this is just M2 here, and then from here it's a 2 slice OBL. Now we have A and what's this case? G. So for AG, for this AG, I just do 2 CP. So we align this pseudo pair on the right, and we do J here, and we do N on the bottom with this preserve. So JN into JJ from the back. So we do this ALG instead. And yeah, so that's the third scramble done. Alright, so for the fourth scramble, okay, so we have right 5-1 and pair. So if we trace CSP, okay, so I got an odd count for this. So for odd, we do like this, and then into kite scallop. All right, so now we have pair, pair. And for this, we do a small move, and then the rest of this is just 2 slices. All right, for PBL, we have C and P. So what I do for this is M2, and then into JR, and I probably cancel into the bar flip like this. Probably would have been better to do the M2 without the bar flip, the 4 slicer, and so that we have the 5 with the pure 5 slicer JR or RJ. But I mean, yeah. Anyways, that's the fourth scramble right there. All right, so for the last scramble, all right, so we have right paw and barrel. So if we trace CSP, so I got an odd count for this. So for odd count, we just pair the pawn with one of the pairs, and then we go straight into scallop kite like this. Yeah. Okay, now we have hazard kite. So what we do for this is we take the inverse kite, and then the remaining of the inverse kite, we cross it over the slice, and we're just left with 2 slices to finish it off. So now we have J and what's this? JG. So for this case, I will probably do align the pieces like this. So breaking up this bar. So yeah, 2CP, we do JJ in the back, followed by NN. JJ in the back, misalign it, and then do NN. So JJ in the back, misalign this, and then do NN. So that is the PBL solution for this case. So yeah, that was the last scramble. Yeah, so I kind of want to do some of these again. I'm planning for this coming week or so. I kind of want to go through, I kind of want to do more example solves or walkthrough solves. But I want to kind of do it a bit differently. I kind of want to go through the speedsolving.com forum, example solves forum, and just kind of go through the all the solves, all the scrambles from the first page by page. And yeah, that's kind of my plan. So like one video will be 1 page worth of scrambles. And then the second video will be page 2 and all that. This is just really for prep, partially for my own prep, as well as to help anyone who might be watching this video who might want some help. And yeah, it's prep kind of like leading up to Worlds, and since I'll be going for Worlds, and I'd like to get more familiar with PBL by then. So yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you in the next video.